Let us have a look at this eighth question from the chapter Applications of Trigonometry. The question goes like this. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. You need to understand the meaning of a pedestal. Pedestal means, they will be installing all these statues on top of this pedestal. No, you'll be having a one, support like this. Then this is the pedestal here, round pedestal, and on this they will be putting all these statues and all. No, so this is pedestal. Okay, this will be at some height from the ground. This is the ground level, and this is the height of the pedestal. All right. So this is how they put all statues at all, right? So you must be having idea in all circles and all they would have put this pedestal. All right. The statue is 1.6 meter tall and it is standing on a top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. All right, from a point on the ground, the top of the statue is being seen and angle of elevation is 60 degree. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of top of the pedestal is 45 degree. All right, so from the same point, the top of the pedestal is seen at an angle of 45 degree. Now they're asking us to find the height of the pedestal. All right, let us try to put this in the form of a diagram so that it becomes easy for us. Now let us set out the ground level. So this is the ground level. Let us take this as the ground level. All right, fine. So then afterwards let us take this as the pedestal. All right, let us take this as a pedestal and let me call it as AB. So A to B. So this is the pedestal. We don't know its height. We can take this as X. Okay, so let me write that. Let height of the pedestal, let height of the pedestal is equal to AB is equal to X meter. We can take that. All right, so on this on top of this pedestal there is a statue. The statue is like this. Let us take this is the statue. All right, so here is the statue and let me call it as a C. So this whatever this BC is there, no? So this BC is going to be 1.6 meter. All right, now from this point, let us take this point D here. From this point, the top of the statue is being observed at an angle of elevation 60 degree. Okay, let me draw that neatly. So whatever this angle of elevation, whatever this angle is there, no, so this angle is going to be 60 degree. All right, similarly, the top of this pedestal means this point. So whatever this point is there here, so up to this point B, so here the angle is going to be 45 degree. All right, I hope the concept is quite clear to you. All right, so what is this point is top of the pedestal, or you can say bottom of the statue, and you can say this point C as top of the statue. All right, so now we have to find out this AB. So whatever this AB is there now, so this AB has to be calculated. All right, and definitely this is 90 degree. We know that. Now can you observe one triangle here? What is that triangle? Just have a look at this triangle ABD. Look at this ABD. So in triangle ABD, we are going to consider this triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, so I'm going to apply this tan 45. All right, tan 45 degree. So in ABD, so where is it? Here it is ABD, tan 45 degree. So this angle 45 degree means opposite is AB, then divided by adjacent, that is AD. So AB divided by AD, so it becomes AB divided by AD. All right, tan 45 is 1, then AB is nothing but X. Look at this AB is nothing but X. All right, so I'm going to substitute that as X, then divided by AD. All right, then I'm going to have I will send this AD this side. So 1 into AD is AD, so AD is equal to X. All right, so let me keep it as equation number 1. Similarly, we are going to have another triangle, the bigger triangle. Look at this triangle. Have a look at this triangle ACD. Look at this ACD. Here the angle is 60 degree. In triangle ACD, we are going to apply tan 60 degree. All right, so tan 60 degree is equal to, so what is the formula for tan 60 degree, this angle, no? So this 60 degree, whatever it is there, tan 60 degree. So we are going to have this as opposite side, that is AC, and adjacent side, that is AD. So it becomes AC divided by AD. I'll write it as AC divided by AD. All right, so tan 60, what is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3, and that is equal to AC. What is the value of this AC? Have a look at this AC. So A to C, it is x, all right, and another 1.6. So can I write it as x plus 1.6? Definitely we can write. So AC is going to be x plus 1.6 divided by AD means what is this? AD is x here. All right, so AD is x, already we calculated that. So AD is x, and how we wrote it? We wrote it from equation number 1. All right, then I'm going to send this x this side, so it becomes root 3x is equal to x plus 1.6. Then I'm going to send this x this side, so it becomes root 3x minus x is equal to 1.6. all right, so then I'm going to take x common, then it becomes root 3 minus 1, and that is equal to 1.6. all right, so then this x value is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. We cannot leave it like this, we have to rationalize the denominator. Then it becomes x is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. That is rationalization. Then it becomes x is equal to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1, then divided by, it is of the form a minus b into a plus b. all right, so it is going to be a square minus b square. all right, so it becomes x is equal to 1.6 bracket root 3 plus 1, then divided by square and square root get cancelled, and it becomes 3 minus 1. Then I'm going to have x is equal to 1.6 bracket root 3 plus 1 divided by 2, and it becomes 2 ones are 2, 0.8 are. all right, so the value of x is going to be 0.8 bracket root 3 plus 1. Now here you can use instead of this root 3 you can use 1.73, or you can just leave it like this also, no issues. So this will be the height of the pedestal. all right, so if you choose to use root 3 as 1.73, you can write it 0.8 bracket root 3 means 1.73. in some of the problems it is given, so that's why I'm doing it. So plus 1.73 plus 1, then it becomes x is equal to 0.8 bracket, it becomes 2.73. all right, then x is equal to 8 3s are 24, 2 is the carry, then 8 7s are 56, 58, 5 is the carry, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 5 is 21. all right, then 3 places means it becomes 2.184. so 2.184 meter. so therefore I'm going to write x means that is height of the pedestal, no, therefore height of the pedestal, therefore height of the pedestal is equal to x is equal to 2.184 meter. all right, I hope the concept is quite clear. The question was quite simple. The only hint was this you have to apply this tan 45, and you have to get this ed as x. When we get this ed as x, no, then the other things will follow. all right, I hope you got to know about this problem. If you are enjoying these videos, give it a thumbs up, like the videos, and share this good work with your friends so that it reaches everyone. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel because it is the support what we get from your side. And definitely you can comment down whatever you want to listen from us. Whichever topic you comment, I will be making videos of that. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and bye bye.